Welcome back to Medinare. In this video, let's discuss about periodontium. This might seem to be very simple, but it is important when it comes to basic tissues of periodontology. So let's see what it is. Periodontium is divided into two words which are peri and dontium. Peri means around and dontium means teeth. So periodontium is nothing but those tissue which surrounds the teeth. There are basically two types of tissues in periodontium: investing tissues and supporting tissues. Gingiva comes under investing tissues and periodontal ligaments, cementum and alveolar bone comes under supporting tissues. In other words, gingiva is that tissue that surrounds the teeth and periodontal ligaments, cementum and alveolar bone are those tissue that supports the teeth. So basically the tissues of periodontium includes gingiva, cementum, alveolar bone and periodontal ligament. This could be an important viva question. Now let's see each part of it. Gingiva is a part of oral mucosa that covers the alveolar process of the jaw and surrounds the neck of the teeth. So now let's see the overview of all the functions it has to do. Gingiva provides a tissue seal around the cervical portion or neck of the tooth, and it holds the tissue against the tooth during mastication, and also it covers the alveolar process of the jaw. Cementum. It anchors the ends of the periodontal ligament fibers to the tooth so that the tooth stays in its socket. And also, cementum protects the dentin of the root. Periodontal ligament in general suspends and maintains the tooth in its socket. An alveolar bone is responsible for surrounding and supporting the roots of the tooth. So these are the general overview of the periodontium. In the future videos, we'll see about each of these parts of the periodontium in detail. That brings us to the end of the video. I hope you guys found it helpful. Do like this video and subscribe to Medinare for more. Thanks for watching.